My name's Russ from ProSteamUK, and we offer carpet upholstery cleaning and hard floor cleaning in and around the Guildford area. Now today we have a terracotta floor which has been down for probably 20 years or more, and it's looking pretty worse for wear. We did a test patch clean for the customer just to show the customer exactly what we're capable of doing, and as you can see there, that's kind of how the tile should look. So we've got our work cut out. Anyway, we're on the first stages, which is the prep stage, and as you can see, we have masked up all the kitchen units and appliances just in case there's any splashes or whatever, because we are now going to use a specialist stripper to strip away the topical seal. And this is Guy Parsons. Hello. From the Carpet Cleaning Guy. He's actually based in Kent, and Guy is assisting me on this job today, and we're going to be using TileMaster products on this floor. And we're just about to vacuum the floor before we start to use the stripper. So anyway, let's come back in a while and see how we're progressing. Okay folks, so that portion of the flooring has been cleaned, stripped and cleaned, and so this bit here is now going to be stripped, and Guy is just moving his machine onto the surface. And this machine is going to dig into that grout on the tile, and it's going to slice through that topical seal like a knife through like a hot knife through butter. Now, we've come to the end of today, and as you can see, the terracotta flooring has been stripped and it's been deep cleaned, and we've got our dry pods in place. Now we're going to leave these dry pods with the customer for a couple of days, and they will continue to dry the porous terracotta. We've done all in the toilet here as well. So it hasn't been a big job, but it's been a challenge. Terracotta is always a challenge. So there you go. It's all done. I'm going to return in 2 days' time once the tiles are completely dry, and that's when we will use our sealer and our wax. Sealer will impregnate the tile, and the topical wax will enhance the finish of the tile. But there you go. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video, and if you require any hard floor cleaning, please contact ProSteamUK on www.ProSteamUK.com. Thanks for watching. Right, 48 hours later, we've had our dry pods working day and night, and they have successfully dried the terracotta flooring out. And so now we're going to vacuum, and then we're going to apply our sealer impregnator. Right, this is the floor completed. It's had 2 applications of the satin wax, and it just adds a slight sheen to the surface, enhances the colour of the tile, and I think you'll agree that looks really nice compared to how it looked a few days ago.